Now these are big ball pythons, and they're not fat, they're pure muscle. That's Tipper, my rescue that I have. Brian Costco handled him while he was here, and he was amazed at how muscular my ball pythons are, and they aren't fat at all. But this is his width compared to the width of my legs. Hi, Tip. He's still got that scar on his head from when I rescued him. He was bit in the head and neck by a live rat from the previous owner, so he's got a scar on his head, one on the end of his tail. Actually, he lost 4 inches off the end of his tail, flesh, meat, and everything. There was nothing but a bloody bone exposed when the guy got him to me. So naturally, he went to the vet's office. But yeah, he almost didn't make it. He was infested with mites, dehydrated, malnourished. Now look at him. He's a big hooser. Huh. What are you doing? Almost dropped my camera on your head. Almost dropped my camera on your head. Yeah, I did. But yeah, Brian handled my ball pythons while he was here, and he was pretty amazed at how muscular they are. Why don't you go back up here and watch TV for a while? My snakes love watching television. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Tipper? Where are you going, buddy? You're sliding down between my legs there. There you go. There you go. I love the normal ball pythons. I always have. I guess I'm just one of those old school girls that always loved the normals, and I probably always will, but Tipper's a good sized boy. Strong as a bull. You made a new friend while Brian was here, didn't you, Tipper?
I love playing sports, but I'm done with video games.
You made a new friend. Yeah, you did.
At eHarmony, we connect you on what really matters. That's why every 14 minutes.
Every time I take a snake out to clean its enclosure, after I get the enclosure all set back up, I always handle them for a little while. So they know they mean more to me than just something to take out and stick back in their enclosures. I spend quality time with them every time I handle one of them. If I have to take them out to clean their enclosure, then they get quality time outside of the enclosure at the same time. Well, that's just the way I've always raised my snakes. So they know they mean a lot to me. You know, they're not something you just take out and stick back in. But yeah, Tipper's a big boy. All my ball pythons are very muscular. Very big. I see you on the floor stalking Tipper. You better not come up here and head boop him. You better leave Tipper alone. Yeah, you better. Good sized snake. Healthy, very healthy. They're all food for the winter. You going back in your plastic tote? Where are you going? Huh? You going back in? Okay. I guess you can do that. I give them the freedom of choice. You have to if you want to let them express themselves freely. You can't do that by always hanging on to them and forcing them here and forcing them there. It's important that they have some freedom to express themselves. Like you're about to flip that plastic tote over. How about getting in it? Why don't you get in it? There we go. Nope, okay. I guess not.